Alrighty, Darin Martineau here, and in this video I'm going to do a review on my favorite marketing tool, which is called Lead Sleep. So Lead Sleep is kind of like a Swiss Army knife type marketing tool. Um, it gives you the ability to run 10 ads so that you can get traffic to your websites. It's an email autoresponder. It's my favorite page builder. It also has the exit pop-up creators, link tracker, and much, much more. So I'm going to show you what it looks like inside of Lead Sleep here. Um, I'm going to show you one of my pages here that I've made. And this is a squeeze page. This is one of my squeeze pages right here. Totally awesome. So you can build these things. All right. Now, it's really easy to build. In other videos, I'll show how to build stuff. But in this video, this is an overview. So how much does it cost? Well, if you click on the link, you get like a 24-hour deal where you can join for $23 a month. Um, if not, it's $27 a month, which is a great deal because most autoresponders will cost more than that, and they don't even have all these things. The ability to run ads and do all these things that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to do an overview. This is my favorite tool, like I said. I use this tool a lot. So let's go over the ads. So you post ads. Now I have ads in here, and these are some of my ads, but you can also do free ads. You can do 10 of these ads, then you can also post these free ads. And what you can do is you can get credits by clicking on links if you want to do that. And there's also a free way to join, but why is the paid way better? Okay, because it's an affiliate program as well, and you'll get 50% commission. So this gives you the incentive. Plus, you get all the tools that I'm going to show you. So these are the ads, and this is how it works inside of here. These are how the ads are shown, as you can see here. So you get pro ads and you get free ads, okay? And you can also click for credits. Next, we have the email marketing, okay? So inside of the email marketing, you set up your email series here, and it also has a YouTube to broadcast in here. So every time you make a video, it'll broadcast out it. You can set it up like I have it set up, so it'll automatically, when you make a video, it'll shoot it out to your email list. Very cool features here. Then we have the page builder. The page builder is really easy to use. I will make another video showing how to use that. I'm just doing an overview of this. I love this tool. Why? Because you have to get traffic to your websites in order to sell things, first of all. This is, like I said, like a Swiss Army knife. It's a multiple tool because you have the email marketing, which is the send steed. You have the page builder, which you can build your squeeze page or landing pages with. They also have something called Rebrander, which is a way to put your PDFs in here. It also hosts your images and your PDFs. But this is just absolutely incredible. This is probably my favorite tool. I highly recommend it. So when you click on the link, what happens is I want you to put in your email. I'm going to give you my free funnel, which is the Team Freedom Funnel. And when you go through the steps, you get Lead Sleep. I'll make another video talking about my different bonuses, but my bonus for this, you're going to get access to, I'm going to give you over 300 emails. And I have many other bonuses than that. There's not enough time to go over them all, but you're going to get, for starters, 300 emails, okay? You're also going to get access to my Team Freedom training. I'm going to show you how I'm making money online. So that's why you want to join with me. Don't think about joining with anybody else because I'm going to give you way more value. So click on the link, put in your email, and I'll take you to the Team Freedom funnel now, and I'll show you all of these amazing things. Thank you very much.